Many people come to my OPD with the ultrasound report of fatty liver asking me, Madam, we don't consume any non veg, neither we take alcohol, but still we have a fatty liver. What's the reason? So let's know about fatty liver today. Fatty liver is the accumulation of fat over the liver is called as a fatty liver. So why does it happen? So especially when we consume food, especially refined carbohydrates in higher amounts than needed, that gets deposited into the liver, which is depicted as a fatty liver. So mainly, fatty liver is one of the indicator of insulin resistance to the body. So fatty liver is no more related to only alcohol or non-veg. It's even related to the high sugars or the refined sugars we take. So know about it.